Hi everybody, this is our daily video or daily agenda for Tuesday, October 12th. For today, Chicos, we are continuing on with our new story and our new mini unit. So our do now will be our 30-day writing challenge. Today is day 30. Today is the end. We are also doing some building background on the King of Maisie May, and we are reading through the King of Maisie May. Okay, so you will notice on your homework, I've added the 30-day writing challenge. All they're going to be due by Sunday. 30-day writing challenge for today. Describe your experience with this 30-day writing challenge. What did you like? What did you dislike? Would you do it again? Why or why not? Okay? Then we went ahead and built some background on the King of Maisie May. I had you guys take notes. Remember, I am going to be collecting these notes at the end of our first Study Sync unit. Okay? So, building background for the King of Maisie May. I had you guys write down your 4 topics. Essential question, main idea. You guys know how to format your notes. Format them appropriately. On the left-hand side, you should write subsection 1, the Yukon Territories. On the right-hand side, please make sure you are taking notes. The Yukon is a territory in northwestern Canada, right here, and it is named after the Yukon River. Much of the territory is sparsely populated, meaning there's little people, but Dawson City and Whitehorse are the most populated cities. In this territory, you will find rugged terrain, rivers, lakes, and mountains. Please make sure that you are writing a question on the left-hand side. Okay, subsection 2, dog sledding in the Yukon. I had you guys actually watch this video and take a few notes on dog sledding and what that means. I'm not going to play the video within this video. Just watch it on your own and make sure you are following along. Okay, take a few notes on it. What are some of the directions they give? Oh, there's the bell. Okay, what did you notice about hooking up and running the dogs? What are some terms the mushers use? What do they mean? And what would you say is the most challenging aspect? Go ahead and write a question on the left-hand side after you have taken notes. Okay, and that is subsection 2. Subsection 3, we are not playing the video, is Jack London. Okay, Jack London is actually the author of this story. He wrote many other novels such as Call the Wild and White Fang. London based many of these stories from his own personal experiences in Alaska and the Yukon Territory during the Alaskan Gold Rush. Okay, this was based on what he already knew. That's subsection 3. Go ahead and write a question on the left-hand side after subsection 3. Last but never least is predictions. Okay, this is your last subsection, subsection 4, prediction. Based on what we've learned from reading the informational text, the Call to Klondike, and building background for today, what do you think the short story, The King of Maisie May, will be about? Okay, write your prediction down in your notes. Then, on the left-hand side, write a question that you have about the King of Maisie May. Okay? Make sure you have a summary that is 3 to 5 sentences, and you are selecting key words. I went through this quickly, but I want you to know you have access to this on Google Classroom, and this is what we did for today. To access my presentation notes, you can access them for today. Today is the 12th. You can access them here. And I also have them right here, The King of Maisie May, first read. This is the second thing we did today. You guys actually went ahead and opened up The King of Maisie May and read through it today. Okay? So then we worked on some think questions because you guys needed to work on them, and that was it. Alright, you guys, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Here's the first read stuff that you guys did. Alright, reach out to me. Other than that, we have a quick discussion after. Other than that, I will see you guys in class. Alright?